come to see the world. They come. Why? So you come around.
Right, let's change the little nozzles from the yellow ones that it come with to the green ones. I've got grey ones as well, but we're seeing how it goes.
I did that little circle over there.
Yeah.
Now I'm doing this part.
We'll see how it cleans. To do along here, around there, and the pressure washer give up. It's very hot. It's stopped working altogether now, so.
Well, I'm still doing my job in Job Simulator.
Yeah, we managed to do this one little area, and it give up. I don't know why. It's never given up before. It's a very good pressure washer, this one. It's got very hot, and no, it just doesn't want to work. So we'll let it cool down a bit and see if we can carry on. But it's that's the only difference. So I wonder if that's a contribution to it, why it's got too hot perhaps. I don't know, we'll work it out. Well, managed to do some of that. Still got some marks over there because the pressure washer gave up completely. Well, that little tool was a pretty good little tool and it works, but this little K2 pressure washer is not really enough. It gets too hot. I think it's too much work for it, to be honest. Does a good job, this does. Comes with nozzles for K2 and K3, which is the ones we got in it, green ones. It comes with yellow ones, but then it comes with these grey ones for K3 to K5. But trouble is, it just seems to get too hot. Don't know if it's because it's on for too long, but then again I've let it cool down. I've got it working again. I let it cool down, and I've just had to do ordinary pressure washer nozzle on, just for pressure washing. And I was using it, and it didn't get hot at all, and it was fine. Didn't cut out, didn't get hot. Like the unit didn't get hot, and it works fine. But when you put that little cleaner head on it that I showed you, the actual pressure washer, the pump and the motor get red hot, and then it cuts out. When it starts to lose its pressure, it gets really, really low on pressure, and then it just cuts out. So I've come to the conclusion that the K2, or at least my K2 compact, isn't man enough for that cleaning head thing, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna have to get a bigger pressure washer. I've got half of a clean driveway now, So, and I share that driveway with next door, so I can't leave it like that. I've got to finish it now, otherwise it looks ridiculous, and they're going to be like, "What the hell have you done?" So, but the bigger pressure washer's Karcher one. I'm not going to get a Karcher. Karcher's fucking 400 quid. I'm going to put one on my wish list in case there's any millionaires watching. And I'm only joking. There probably will be one on the wish list, but I'm not expecting any millionaires to be watching. So, but I'm going to see if I can get like a second-hand one maybe or something. If not, I'll have to go down the route of Ryobi, because Ryobi do a kit at the minute for 150 bar pressure washer with the cleaning head and everything. Because that one there, the Karcher one, cost me 50 quid. And it's a bit of a waste of money if I can't use it, but so I'd like a Karcher pressure washer. It's better to use that Karcher head with, cleaning head thing with it. But I might be able to jerry rig a Ryobi pressure washer to the Karcher end. I don't know what they've got, different fittings probably. But oh there, anyway, there'll be a video coming up with me finishing the driveway, and I'll let you know what I get. And if it's a brand new model, you know, there's not any reviews on it, and then I'll do a review on it. But if it's an older model and everyone's seen it before, then I won't bother. Yeah, so I've got this Bissell Clean View carpet cleaner thing for sale. Get rid of that and get myself a new pressure washer. Got this lawnmower at the minute that I'm in the middle of fixing as well. Needs a few bits and bobs on it. We'll get going with that, I reckon. Catch you later, you lot. All the best. Enjoy yourselves. Life is for enjoying.